Hi, I am Aparna welcoming you all in the beautiful world of cakes at Cake Street. Today we are going to make cream cheese frosting. Now we are making cream cheese frosting. For that we need butter, unsalted butter, cream cheese, icing sugar, lemon juice and coffee creamer powder. Let's get started. First we are going to take the measurements for these ingredients are given in the description box below. Please refer them. We are going to take approximately 100 gram of butter. Beat it at high. Make sure your all ingredients are at room temperature. Sift your sugar once before adding into it and add this creamer to your sugar. You must always sift your icing sugar before adding into your cream because this may contain sometimes lumps and nobody wants lumps in the icing. So now time to add icing sugar and just mix it so that it will not fluff up. The key part is beat your butter high and little longer period of time so that it will become light and fluffy. As you can see, the color of butter got changed. It became pale white from the yellow. Once your butter is got beaten enough, then add your icing sugar. But after adding icing sugar, beat it at low speed. Add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice into it. This will give our frosting a little tangy flavor. Scrape it well. So our cream is almost ready. Now time to add cheese into it. Make sure after adding cheese you are not going to overmix this cream, otherwise your cheese is going to split it up. That is a major problem comes while making the cheese cream frosting, that after adding cheese we should not overmix it. I already ruined it 3 times before I get my perfect recipe for it. So our cheese is at room temperature and now we are going to add our cheese to this frosting. As you can see, our cream cheese frosting is ready. So smooth, fluffy, yummy. So now we are going to put this in our cone and then it is ready for pie. So you can see how well it can be piped. Yummy, delicious cheese cream frosting.